Hi guys, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 26. For the most flattering makeover, choose makeup colors according to the light they will be worn in. Makeup artists, this is a signature part to my 20-hour and 40-hour advanced makeup technique classes. I teach makeup according to lighting. So depending on the type of light that you or your client is under, that dictates the color choices that you will use for the makeover. There are 7 lighting conditions and each one dictates certain colors that work well under that type of light. So certain colors actually pop or are accentuated or stand out under certain types of light. And other colors go flat under certain types of light. So makeup artists, you want to choose colors that work for specific types of lighting. If you'd like to learn the 7 lighting conditions and how light affects color, come take my 20-hour or 40-hour advanced makeup technique classes. And you can register right online on MakeupClasses.com. Within those classes, I teach all about lighting theory and color theory and what colors work under certain types of light. In fact, your makeup kit that you receive in class is organized for lighting. We are the only makeup education company in the world that teaches this theory. Why? Because I wrote it. And all of our makeup is designed specifically for lighting. It's really cool and it's something I absolutely love. It's my life's work and I would love to share more details about the science and art of lighting and color. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Makeup Tip Monday. Lighting is so important. What's your experience with lighting and color? Please share your comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll see you next week on Makeup Tip Monday. Bye everyone.